Nox Knight! We got ourselves the Kamen Rider Zeztz DX Knight Invoker Buckle. Ooh, Knight Invoker. What an interesting name for this plate thing. So yes, this is not an entire driver, right? This is just this plate here. And we also got a capsum, of course. Gotta have the capsum. But yeah, you just take this part out. We're gonna take, we got our Zeztz driver here. We're gonna take this part off, and then we're gonna put on this Knight Invoker Buckle. Very interesting. And we also got a really, really cool Nox Knight. Actually, at the time of this recording, me and Carlos and Gary watched the debut of this beautiful boy. And yeah, it's pretty sick. It's pretty awesome. Like, Kamen Rider Zeztz is really, really, really enjoyable so far. Okay, but yeah. Anyways, very beautiful box, of course, as always, as usual. On the top, we got the contents of the box. We got Nox Knight right there. Bottom things. We got another beautiful shot of Nox Knight right there. Very cool. And then on the other side, yeah, another beautiful picture of the boy right there. Very cool. Okay, and then on the back, we got basically everything that it does. So I'm very, very excited to play with this thing. Let's see. Let me know in the comments if you picked yourselves up one of these. Also, make sure to check out the toy hunt. We did a toy hunt, our penultimate episode of season 9 of toy hunting. Yes, we are already at the end of the season. Oh my goodness. But yeah, no, it is a little earlier than recent seasons, right? The ending, I should say. But, we'll explain all that in a live stream, which should have been announced by now. So submit your questions and stuff for a Q&A live stream. It's going to be a lot of fun. All right. Well, let's see what we got here. Oh, yes. Oh, yes, yes, yes. Look at this. Okay, let's check out the capsum first. Oh, my gosh. Wow. Let's see. We're going to open this baby up right here. Boop. And this is, ooh, okay, so this is what Nox uses to transform. Oh, okay, interesting. Oh, look at that. Oh, very nice. Very cool pictures, right? Look at that. That's fun. Okay, love those. And then we're gonna get our Knight Invoker Buckle. All right, okay, yeah. Let's see. So it's got like some gold on it. Very nice gold if it wants to focus. There you go. Very nice gold on it. But mostly, it's mostly just white, right? Just a white piece. That's gonna go on the driver. Nothing too crazy. All right, so we're going to take this plate off. I think it should be fairly easy to take up. Yeah, you just kind of pull it out. Bam, right there. It's not that hard. You just kind of take it out like that. So there you go. We're gonna put this to the side, and then we're going to take this thing. I'm gonna put it on top. It's gonna clip in. Bam, like that. Ooh, I like that. Ooh, fancy. Look at you. Okay, nice. I don't think this affects the sounds or anything in the driver. It's literally just for looks. So, now honestly, I'm surprised that they gave us, or that they sold us just the plate. I thought they were gonna do a whole belt, honestly. Like a whole nother belt and sell that. Because that would have made a lot more money, but they were very nice to us, I guess. There's the very pretty lights coming through this Invoker belt. Very nice. Cool. Yeah, it doesn't affect the sounds in this thing, I don't think. So if I put this in here while I had this played on, it's not gonna do anything different. But we're gonna try it like this because that is show accurate. So let's see what we got here. Ooh. Ooh, I like that. Okay. Ooh. 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 Okay. What does he say? He says disguise, right? But I don't remember the Japanese word for disguise, so I'm just gonna say disguise. Disguise. Ooh. I am now Nox Knight, aka Seto Kaiba. Okay, there you go. Nice. Let's see what else can I do. Okay, cool. We're gonna press this down. I think 3 times. Ooh. Okay, dang, yo, the standby sounds of this is crazy. Okay, that's cool. Okay, now we're gonna do 4 times. Bam. There you go. All right, so let's put this on and try again. Giso. So yeah, this is pretty neat. I really like the design of this. Again, Nox Knight is just pretty dang cool. And you know, you get an extra capsum. So I would say if you like the character or you like how Nox Knight looks, then yeah, get it. Go for it. It's not that expensive, right? Like compared to other Kamen Rider toys, you know. So it's just a plate and a capsule. You get another capsule, you know? Thank you all so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't. Follow us on our social media below. We also have a Discord, so make sure to flex your toys, collectibles, all that good stuff. And we will see you all next time.